Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is give you a few Cardano price predictions. This is going to be a realistic price prediction. What I believe is going to happen in 2025. So assuming that we continue with this bullish momentum, and things go the way I think they will, we will most likely see these Cardano prices. So there's going to be a high end and a mid end. So we're not going to go with the low end. If you want to go with the low end, you could probably say $2, but we're going to go a little bit higher than that in this video. So I want to break that down and talk about that with you guys. So if you guys do get something out of this, like, comment, subscribe. Currently, we are December 29th of 2024. And I think over the next 6 months, we're probably going to see higher highs with Cardano and specifically with Bitcoin as well. So Bitcoin leads the way, but also specifically on this channel, let's get to 5,000 subs. I want to get there before the end of the year. So this video will be out before New Year's Eve. So it's my Christmas and New Year's Eve gift to you all. So I've been doing some moose math, and it's pretty fancy. Kind of looks like Robert Oppenheimer, peak drunkenness, maybe at 10 years old. But nonetheless, we have some pretty cool price predictions, and it's a little bit higher than what I thought. So what happened last cycle in 2021? So let's look at the Bitcoin rainbow chart. I guess we can check out one of these links here. This should give us something. Basically, this is a visual representation of past crypto cycles. Generally, every 4 years, you have what is known as the Bitcoin halving. So the amount of remaining Bitcoin that get rewarded for mining Bitcoin gets reduced in half. So let's say we have less than 1 million Bitcoin. Instead of earning 3, you now get 1.5. In 2028, it's going to be 0.75. 0.35. So that's scarcity, and that's part of what drives up the price of Bitcoin. And of course, once Bitcoin, the dominance, it's high now because everybody wants Bitcoin, that gets funneled into the alts. So we haven't seen that happen yet. So once Bitcoin gets to a pretty high number and attention starts to get on Ethereum, on all the other alts, I think we're going to see a huge pump. And we also have a pro crypto president administration. We have Charles, who's the founder of Cardano. He's leading the way, and he's making these partnerships. He's going to make, in my opinion, Cardano a big thing. And last time, in 2021, we got Cardano to $3.10. So also, there's more Cardano in circulation now. I believe it's 36 billion total. In Cardano, kind of where we're at, but the max supply is somewhere around 40 billion, something like that. So let's take a look. But basically, we're just going to do simple market cap. So circulating supply 35 billion, in total is 8 billion. So also Cardano is great for staking. That could also be implemented in the price as well. So right here, this is where we got last time, and I did use ChatGPT. It told me that we got to a 94 billion market cap. So if we do a little bit of math on that, let's take a look here. So I do have the calculator. So basically, what are we at? 30 now. So if we're at 30 billion in market cap, I'm pretty sure. I was looking at it through something else. So 30 billion in market cap. 91, so 3. So that's basically a 3x from the price today. Plus we have more in circulation around the $3 mark. So let's get into what is my low end price prediction. So if we got to a $94 billion market cap last cycle, okay, and by the way, last cycle, Cardano did not have Dex Hunter with the Dex aggregator, not as many dexes. Smart contracts weren't a thing. So I remember, what was it, CNFT.io? That's where you could sell and buy NFTs, and you had a 48-hour window. That's not a thing anymore. Now You have smart contracts. It's fast. And ultimately, it's self-executing activity on the blockchain. Okay. So there are so many new projects that are being built, so many new tokens. You have Copy, NVL, you have MinSwap, and a beautiful DEX. They have V2, V3s coming out. Cardano is faster now. You've got Hydra, so many things, plus the midnight airdrop. You mean to tell me that we're not going to go higher than 2021? Come on. So we got to $3. Low end, I'm assuming that Bitcoin's at 150K. Maybe we're summer 2025. I can see us getting to $7.33. So right now, let's call it it was 0.88. So if we are at a 30 bill, so let's do some moose math here. So we have 250 billion in market cap. Let's say that's where I think we're going to get. Divide that by 30 bill, which is where we're at now. So that's an 8.33 times return. So we'll times that by 0.88. That's where it was when I was doing this. So that's a that's a $7.33 ADA. That's at a 250 bill market cap. So that's just over a 2x what we saw peak of the last cycle. But keep in mind, there's so much that has been developed that I've seen personally. The staking is incredible with Cardano. So just to give you guys an idea of how cool this is, you guys can, I don't know if you guys have any hardware wallets, but I've got a beautiful Trezor here. And what is this one? This is my Yoroi. So here I'm staking, right? I got almost 22,000 ADA in this wallet, staking, and I just started staking to the Crow node again, and I'm earning between 4 and 7 ADA just every 5 days, and my tokens never leave my wallet. So that's a beautiful thing. On top of that, what else do we have? So I can share that with you guys as well. JPEG Store, like I said, is looking phenomenal. So obviously NFTs are lagging behind. They're not performing that well. But we have a marketplace where you can create, which I've already done. I got my Loose Moose NFTs. But you guys can buy, sell, lend and borrow on Cardano. So I think that's really cool. So that's just some of the things that we didn't have last time. So that's a low end, 733. Guys, comment down below. Do you agree with that? I believe minimum we will see a $7.33 Cardano. That's what I'm thinking right now. It just makes sense. Like, I believe Ethereum's already around this market cap anyways. So here's my high end price prediction. So it's very possible we could get to, I don't see $1 trillion now, maybe in the future. That would be very high. But let's say peak, everybody's FOMOing in, people are excited, the midnight airdrop is successful, and Bitcoin's at almost 200K. This is what we're going to see. We're going to see, potentially, not financial advice, a $400 billion market cap. Divide that by 30. That's 13.33x. Okay? So that would give you an $11.73 ADA. That is very possible. I'm pretty sure Crypto Crow and others have done anywhere from $12 to $15, potentially, height of the market. So me personally, I'm going to take profits much sooner. I believe $7 is pretty high, so a 250 bill market cap. But we have so many reasons to believe that this can happen. Also, Cardano may continue to climb in its spot as maybe a top 5. XRP's great. It's got a lot of potential, a lot of hype behind it now, but it's taken a hit recently, right? So all this is going to be based on news. ADA's in the top 10, as it should be. But Tether may be looking shaky in the future. We don't know exactly what's going to happen with that. Dogecoin, that's a meme. Cardano should surpass that pretty easily. So Cardano could get to where Ethereum is today. in market cap. That would not shock me in 2025. So guys, comment down below. Let me know if you agree or not. Right now, I'm going to invite you to my link tree. This is a link where I update it all the time. It gives you links to guide you throughout this channel. So if you guys want to take an online course, take one. I got a free Cardano mini course. You guys can also find it on the channel. Subscribe. Let's get to 5,000 subs. Hopefully we're there very soon. So that was a personal goal of mine. We have NFTs, new projects. But guys, use code Moose. Pick up a Tangem. So I just ordered these. I ordered, what are they called? Yeah, these ones are, they just started shipping. What's it called? Yeah, Shades of Winter. So it's just a different type of like printing on the front. They're all the same, but you guys can use code Moose. Pick up a 2-card set on a budget, $50. $50 you get this. Cold storage, hardware wallet. This thing is awesome. The app has been updated. I personally use the ring. So I have, I'm not going to tell you what I got on there. But yeah, guys, I love this product. And it's really cool to give you guys an opportunity to save some money on my most used wallet. Right now, I recommend these over Trezor's. And I like Trezor. But the fact that you can use it with your phone and you really protect your crypto, now your keys, now your cheese, it's a cool thing. But guys, comment down below, low end or mid end, high end. Give me your ADA price predictions. And we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.